Make a great choice today with the 2013 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-theft security system, 4-wheel ABS, hands-free communication, FWD, 60/40 split rear bench seat, security package, rear window defroster, power door locks with auto lock feature, side airbag system, vehicle stability assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.